It does sound like a bear is pounding on some folks' roofs outside right now with the torrential rain and, of course, the thunder that a lot of folks are hearing. I want to start you off with a look at our Cedar Point cam because it is going to be storming like none other at Cedar Point and Sandusky within the next couple of minutes. So if you have friends or family out that way, let them know that severe thunderstorms are on the way. Current temperatures outside right now in the 80s. But you'll notice, though, that we have severe thunderstorm warnings now in effect for not only parts of Ashland County, but southern Lorain County, now Medina County included in that, as well as Sandusky and then on the northern end there of Erie County. Here's what the radar looks like. We're going to focus in on a top-down perspective. So let's start at the top. Notice the number of lightning strikes, over 300 within the past 10 minutes. All of this is heading toward the northeast. So Catawba Island over towards Sandusky. Here's, of course, where Cedar Point is when we're expecting those showers and thunderstorms to be in your neck of the woods towards, say, Danbury at about 6:26 this evening. Marblehead at 6:40 and Kelly's Island at about 6:45. You can expect not only perhaps damaging winds bringing down some trees and power lines, but small hail and torrential, possibly even flooding rain in here as well. And again, there's a ton of lightning with this. So toward Put-in-Bay, Catawba Island, Kelly's Island, Port Clinton. Again, stay inside until these severe thunderstorms have passed. You'll notice that our rainfall rate's over an inch an hour. That's heavy rainfall that we're receiving or that we're seeing outside right now. All of that racing up toward Huron. Let's take you down the stretch. Again, you'll notice that there's a linear sort of fashion to this line from Bailey Lake heading through Vermilion and just about to cross over Worcester in Wayne County. This also moving between 20 to 25 miles per hour. The impact and arrival times on this into Worcester would be at about 6:30 this evening with the heavy torrential rain. Wellington at about 6:35, East Union at about 6:45, and then Milton just before the top of the hour. And again, you can see right along 224, it is raining cats and dogs. And there's also some hail in here as well. You'll notice that just north of Ripley, we're seeing a little hail course, so watch for it. And there's a whole lot of energy to work with as well. Temperatures in the upper 80s outside with a lot of humidity. We measure that through our dew point temperatures. This helps us gauge how much moisture is in the air. So there's a lot of energy to work with. I think that we'll see these thunderstorms throughout the evening. It's being triggered by this warm front that's moving on through. And even by tomorrow, although I think our rain chances begin to dwindle some, because that cold front on the tail end of that low pressure center is going to be in the area, I think that that'll help to spawn some showers tomorrow as well. So scattered showers and heavy thunderstorms expected through the evening before things finally begin to dissipate late tonight. And then by tomorrow, as we mentioned, we are expecting a couple of on and off showers throughout the day. Your Universal Windows Direct Full 7-day, we're in the upper 80s today, tomorrow rather, Thursday, and then we finally dry things out by Friday and into the start of this upcoming weekend.